Hey friend, thank you for being here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the four most common scenarios that any primary 5 student would encounter in their exams. Right, so this is problem solving, yeah? As soon as they learn whole numbers and fractions, they are going to encounter these kind of problems. So here are the four kinds of problems, okay? Now in these problems, you typically find two people, A and B. Okay, so of these two people, there are going to be four different situations that could happen. One is things happen between A and B and the total between them was unchanged. Second situation is the difference between them was unchanged. And then we have one encounter a change. Oops, let me make that neater. And finally, if you can anticipate, is both encounter a change. Now I tell you this because I want to give you the big picture. In every question, you have to notice what the patterns in the questions are. That is the very first thing we want to train our children to do, your student to do, is to recognize patterns. There is really no use drilling them and teaching them all these models, and they can do these problem-solving models brilliantly in their worksheets. Why? Because they know exactly what model they are doing in that worksheet, and they're simply doing steps. Following steps, and following steps are just so assuring to them because they know exactly what to do next. But once it comes to the exams or the tests, or you give them a mock paper, then you kind of like threw a spanner into the whole works, right? Because they have no idea what they're supposed to do at that moment. They can't pick out patterns. So that's why I'm highlighting these. These are the exact four patterns that you want to recognize first, and then from these patterns, you can then tell which method to use. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about total between them unchanged. How does questions like these look like, and what kind of patterns to look out for? So I'll talk to you in the next video.